Meanwhile, ground has been broken for a new housing development in St. Mary. The project, located in Galina, is expected to provide much-needed homes and boost economic activity. Details from Yannick Williams.
The sound of applause marked the start of a new chapter for housing development in St. Mary, as government officials, stakeholders, and residents gathered for the groundbreaking ceremony of the Galina housing development. The project, situated in the community of Galina, forms part of the government's broader push to increase access to affordable housing across the island. Delivering the keynote address, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness emphasized the administration's commitment to improving living conditions and creating sustainable communities.
The Galina housing development represents a deliberate and strategic investment in people. It reflects a clear understanding that housing is not just a social good, it is a central pillar of economic growth, community stability, and national resilience. At a cost of approximately $1.99 billion, this development will deliver 360 housing solutions across 72 acres of land in close proximity to Galina, Port Maria, and Oracabessa.
The Prime Minister noted the development will be of quality and affordability and will include modern infrastructure, access roads, and essential services aimed at enhancing the quality of life for future residents. He says it is expected to not only provide housing solutions, but also generate employment during both the construction and occupancy phases, and to also address the housing deficit in Jamaica.
We have to put on these ceremonies. They don't have to be ceremonial, but we have to have a marker in time where we are able to explain to the country what it is we are doing to relieve this structural supply issue that we have in our housing market, which creates the deficit in housing.
The project is being spearheaded through the collaboration between government agency and private sector partners as part of a wider national housing strategy. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.